What's going on, guys? My name is Apex and today we're going to have a video. And uh for the record, sorry for the background audio, and sorry for bad grammar because I don't uh speak English every day because I use my native language in this country. And by the way, as you can see, this character already have a removed gun. This gun is named the Avalanche. And before we start this gameplay, I'm going to edit my gun selections. And, but first, we're going to show the removed guns first. The Brave Patriot. It looks normal to me. It looks like a real gun, by the way. And in the Ringling, as that's how I pronounce this gun. And that's how I pronounce this gun. And sorry for because I forgot to put on my microphone. Sorry. And water rifle, state defender, steam power. And that's by the way, steam power is already removed last update, the 1.11.4.0, I think. But let's move on. So at the backup, the thing that I got from backups are, yeah, the all comrade, flower power, hot plasma pistol. And also in here I got the happy tree slayer, evil pig hammer. So those are really old guns, and I think they are already removed 1 year from now, I think. But we have in special categories the flaming volcano and razor throw. And in sniper category, I have the elephant hunter. It looks like same to the brutal headhunter, but yeah. Also have I also have magic bow. So sorry. And in here I have the avalanche, the missile thrower. Here you can see it looks like he's same with the Armageddon. Armageddon. And I also have cherry bomb, dark mage wand, fire starter, the wizard wand. And I also forgot to revive the big body and stuff. And sorry about that. And yep. So on the next video, I'm going to post about something really special to me, but it was taken away from YouTube. But I will. This is just the but moving on. So I almost forgot to edit the guns for a while. So also this, as you can see, the guns and the hack. The hack was JBro's hack, and I don't own this hack. And all credits about this mod is all about JBro's mod. And yep, and showing the revived guns or the old guns, and they actually still works even this day. So I'm going to use the state defender. In here I'm going to use the dual revolvers, and I am just 2%. And I will use the still I will use the evil pig hammer. And in here I will use Oh, root. Oh, it's flame of volcano, and in here I will use elephant hunter and what 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 here missile thrower. So let's go to that match and yeah, see what this can do, because in the preview I just showed the guns that I revived, and I cannot revive them all because I have a limited update on that time. So I will try to revive them all. I mean all of the removed guns that has been removed from the game itself. So I'm not going to speak for a while, but sorry for the background audio. So yeah. So we're going to go to the Coliseum first. So sorry for the mic. The game is so lag.